So my friend Hannah asked me to do a review and tutorial about how to use these new lashes I just got. I ordered the lash liner system, magnetic lashes, and the magnetic liner online. So hopefully this is going to go smooth and easy and short, the whole point of these. So let's get to it. Okay, so the system comes with a cute little card in it with some instructions and things. It says 1. Stir magnetic eyeliner with wand before use. 2. Line your upper lid near the lash line with lash liner magnetic eyeliner. 3. Let dry for 1 to 2 minutes. Lashes will not stick to wet liner. 4. Repeat steps 1 through 3. This is important to have enough magnetism. 5. Hold the lash with the inner corner magnets against the eyeliner and then place the rest of the lash down. 6. When happy with the placement, lightly press lashes to set. When set, lashes are not as movable and you may need to touch up your liner if taken off and on. Always clean lashes and magnets between uses. How to use the lash anchors. These are really cool actually. So you have the magnetic lashes and then you have the anchors. Let's see, it says, after applying lashes, hold the anchor under the natural lash and apply to lash magnets. It will snap into place to create an extra secure hold. Use 2 anchors, one on the inner and outer corners. So I haven't even touched these yet. I don't know if I need to cut them down or not. I don't think I'll have to, actually. Interesting. I have small eyes and a lot of lashes are way too long. So we'll try this without cutting it down. Also, the case has a magnet in it to hold the lashes into place. And it has a mirror. I've never seen a... Oh, I already asked somebody about it. I've never seen lashes have a mirror in it. But, this is what the tube looks like. It's metallic, so it's not showing up very well. So you're supposed to stir it around before you use. I don't know if shaking counts. It has the little rubber snapper in it to wick off the excess so you don't waste it, so it's kind of hard to stir it.
Yeah.
Give that a minute to dry. I'm not sure how wing liner works with this. I feel like this much liner, it might magnetize too high. So I'm gonna double it up just a thin little bit across the very top where I want the lashes to actually sit. I don't know if that's right or not, but I also don't want my lashes way up here. And if I'm gonna go to all the trouble to put liner on, I'm gonna do liner. Maybe that's why you have to put several coats. Maybe they really thought about that. Alright, time for coat 2.
그다음은 그래 뭘 관심이 느껴지는 현타 위가 없는 현상 위험보다 난 이젠 강하게 맘보다가 이대로 쫓아고 I'm a king, I'm a boss 새겨놓아 내 이름 이만 산 새끼들 강강 놈의 줘 I'm a king, I'm a boss 다 알잖아 내 이름 이만 산 새끼들 강강 놈의 먹을 줘
This liner is a little stickier than a normal liner. Tackier. And it seems to dry down really fast. That's good for some, not good for others. Depends on your preference. So I decided I wanted to try magnetic lashes. Obviously Glamnetic is everywhere right now. I looked into them. I don't know how I feel about this. So one of the reasons I went with this brand instead of Glamnetic is because I thought that the pictures looked like the band was all a big magnet instead of small little anchors attached to the band. If I have to cut these down, I don't know how well it's going to work, but these are really close together, so that's nice. Glamnetics looked like it was much more spaced out, and I don't know how long their band is either. So if I chop one off, my fear was that the space between their magnets would end up being the end of my lash, and it wouldn't stick down very well. So I didn't like that. And honestly, $30 for a set of lashes? Okay, that's pretty standard. I was not mad at that at all. But $40 for the magnetic liner went from, I really want to try these, to, if I can't find a better price, I just won't get these. So, I did a little digging. I found these guys, $55 before shipping and everything. Right now, I think they're doing free shipping to the US, but $55 for the lashes and the liner. So the price difference is insane. And I thought the band had a full magnet. It doesn't, but it looks like it'll be fine. And I really like these anchors because I've always wanted to try the other magnetic, the original magnetic, where it's two lashes that sandwich. And this kind of allows me to try both at once. And I have a problem with my inner corners. So I can literally just sandwich the corners and they won't move. There's no way they'll move. Even if the liner doesn't really work, the sandwiching should hold them so well that I don't have to worry about it. So, all in all, I haven't even tried these yet, and I think these are a much better option. Sorry, Glenn, that you're just too mainstream for me or something. Alright, so I think I'm going to pop these on. The inner corner magnet feels a little funny on my eye, but can't imagine the magnet's ever going to be comfortable against your eyeball. Alright, so get a couple of little guys.
Don't waste your love, just let it last. 'Cause once it's gone, it's never coming back. It's true, could you love me the same? Tell me what makes you stay.
Okay, I don't know if I got my lashes at all. I don't know if that outer corner is secured at all, so I'm going to redo that. But let me get the inner corner first.
I'm the only one that you need.
Try to do that outer corner. Again, I don't want to rip the whole lash off by pulling off that anchor. Okay, what is going on with the lash? It's not set. Right against my eyelashes. Good.
But I'm the only one that you need.
Very secure. Oh my god. I might trim the inner corner. I'm not sure I like the feeling of this right down in my eye. I hated the feeling of normal false lashes anyway to begin with, so it's probably just something I have to get used to. But I kind of feel like it's pinching, so I'm going to put another anchor. If it'll go. You know when you put two magnets the wrong side and they refuse each other? That's kind of what I feel like it's doing right now. Let me try a different anchor. Maybe that one's faulty. Nope. It just won't go. I don't know. Alright. I'm going to do the other one off camera. Be right back. Start with our did some quick makeup. I think they look good. Part of the reason I went with the style that I did, which, by the way, I went with Seattle. I went with the style Seattle. They're the most natural shape sized ones they had. I was hoping they'd fit under my glasses. I'm not sure now though. They say adding the anchors to the bottom is supposed to give you more lift. That's what I was hoping for. one. I think getting them in the center is just finicky. So it's supposed to give you a lift. And I think with the anchors on the bottom, I can't actually wear these with my glasses. It does seem to add a little bit of lift. Well, there's my tutorial, I guess. Not that I really knew what I was doing anyway, but hope you enjoyed. Hope it was informative. Hope I didn't make you want to claw your eyes out watching me do this.